Today we'll learn how to take screenshots on Windows and Mac, but this demo is going to be on Windows. I don't have Mac machine at this moment for this demo, uh, so I'll show it to you. So the taking screenshot, the first on your Windows, you could press Windows key, right? Let me open the virtual keyboard for you so I could show you. For that, to open the virtual key, what you do is you press Control, Windows, and O. This will give you this key. This is just for demo. I want to show you guys. So it's to take a screenshot. Pretty much, you have to press Windows, this icon, and you'll have to press this print screen, PRTSCN. If you press them together on the keyboard, um, it will take the screenshot for you. So I'm pressing Windows and print screen, right? And then the screenshot is already taken, and then this will be storing at your screenshot folder, which is your folder, pictures, and then screenshot, right? The screenshot I just took is this one, as you could see. Let me minimize this, open this, right click, open, minimize. You see this? I just took the screenshot. So that's that. And then the second one is if you press only the print screen on your keyboard, you could select the area on Windows. So like this, right? You could select the area and then you could do so much with this. You could add a text, hi, and then change the color, whatever color that you like for this text to have, and press OK. It'll stay there. You can move them around, and then you could do drawing. You could do all these icons. This is for pen, that's line, that's arrow, this is a rectangle box, text, to undo things, to save it, to share them. So if you want to save it, just press on the save and it'll save it for you. Okay. And then on Mac, so I don't have Mac machine with me, but I can show you how can you take the screenshot on Mac. So basically on your Mac, to take the screenshot, what you do is you press Shift Command and 3, right? To take the screenshot, you press and hold together Shift Command and 3, and then thumbnail will pop up and you can take a screenshot. And then if you want to capture the portion of the screen, for that you'll have to press Shift Command and 4, and then you could just similar to Windows, you could just drag and drop like this, which is like to select the area like this. Okay. All right. I hope this helps.